Hello, my dear students. This is your ELA class, and what we are going to do today? Today, we will read out this short story. We will read it out and we will understand it. The name of the short story is Spring Walk. We can call it a passage as well. It had been a long winter. When spring came, Benny was so excited to go outside. She went for a walk in the woods with her mom. She smelled the fresh, clean air. She saw lots of little critters like baby bunnies, deer, and butterflies. Then Benny saw some flowers and hid them. Benny shouted, "Surprise!" She gave the flowers to her mom. Benny's mom smiled. Dear students, why we read out the passage, why we read out the text, why we read out some short stories or anything? We are reading it to understand it. We are reading this text so that we can understand. Now, what we understood, that it had been a long winter. It had been a long winter, and we know that when winter ends, what comes? Spring. Spring is a season. So in spring season, everyone seems happy because they are happy to go outdoors and for exploring something, exploring new things, exploring fresh air, plants, new flowers. That's why Benny was so excited to go outside. Benny is a girl who is also happy for the spring season. Now, what she is doing, she went for a walk in the woods with her mom. She went for a walk. She goes with her mom for a walk in the woods. Woods means forest, a kind of forest. So, what they do, they go for a walk. She smelled the fresh, clean air. What she's doing now, she smells the fresh air. She feels good in the fresh, clean air. There is no pollution, there is no noise. There is just everything beautiful. She saw lots of little critters like baby bunnies, deer, and butterflies. Baby bunny means rabbit, baby rabbits. Critters means living creatures, animals. Whether wild or domestic, critters means animals, living. So what Benny saw lots of little critters. She is seeing little animals like baby bunnies, deer, butterflies. She's just exploring a lot. Then Benny saw some flowers and hid them. Now, what is Benny doing? She is plucking some flowers somewhere and then she is hiding them. For whom? Let me see. Benny shouted, "Surprise!" Now Benny just shouts surprise. She wants to give surprise to someone. But we know who is with her. Her mom is with her. She gave the flowers to her mom. Now, what is Benny doing? She is giving flowers to her mom. Why? Just to make her happy. Benny's mom smiled. Benny's mom feels happiness. She is feeling happy. She is excited. She smiled for the flowers because Benny gave her the flowers. So, dear students, our purpose of reading text is to understand the meaning. So, here we understood the meaning. And now, how can we understand them? कैसे हमें पता चलता है, कैसे हम समझते हैं, कैसे हम understand करते हैं? My dear students, it's very important to learn the words. It's very important to write and learn the words and to use them, whether in writing or during conversation, during interaction with parents, with teachers, with friends. Once you understand the meaning of the words, it will be very easy for you to understand any kind of text. So dear students, here our main aim is just to understand the passage, just to understand the short story, whether it's a story, it's a passage, it's any kind of text. Our purpose is to understand it. So for understanding, we must know the meaning of the words. So here vocabulary is must. And yes, we must know the punctuation. We must know about punctuation, that where capital is used, where full stop is used, where comma is used, where this apostrophe s, you have known about it, you know about apostrophe, and this is called exclamation mark. So dear students, about punctuation that I will teach you in next video, but here our aim is to understand the text. Now, so since we understood this text, what we will be able to answer the questions. For example, if we pose some questions from this passage, we will be able to answer. Why? Because we got the meaning. We understood the text. हमें टेक्स्ट समझ आया, हमने पढ़ा, हमने इसको समझा, हमें इसका मीनिंग पता चला. अब अगर इसके बारे में कोई क्वेश्चन आता है, we will be able to answer. हम उसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं, उसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. So dear students, इसके रिगार्डिंग, दिस इज अ स्प्रिंग वॉक, इसके रिगार्डिंग आपको क्वेश्चंस है पेज नंबर 16. See, read the passage in enrichment sheet 2 and answer the questions given below. Why was Benny excited to go outside? Why was she excited? Now it's easy. We read it. Because she was excited because it was the spring season. During spring season, flowers bloom, there is fresh air outside, there are little critters, we can see creatures outside. That's why Benny was excited. What did Benny see in the woods? What did she see? She saw butterfly, she saw deer, she saw rabbit, she saw flowers. She just was very happy. So one more question. How do you think Benny's mom felt at the end of the story? How do you know? Benny's mom felt very happy at the end of the story, isn't it? Why? Because Benny gave her the flowers. How do you know? हमें कैसे पता है? हमें इसलिए पता है क्योंकि जब बेनी उसको फ्लावर्स देती है तो वो स्माइल करती है. That's why Benny, we can write Benny's mom felt happy at the end of the story. My dear students, I'll send you the answers of these questions in your homework. What you will do, you have to try yourself first. You will read out the passage once again. Then you will try to write answers of yourself. So my dear students, I hope you got today's topic. Inshallah, we'll meet in next video with new topic. Allah Hafiz.